Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest, expert takes on the gear that elevates your outdoor lifestyle. Today we're diving into what we consider the best kettle-styled charcoal grill on the market. The Weber Original Kettle Premium 22-inch charcoal grill in classic black. This isn't just any grill, it's a backyard legend, upgraded for performance, ease, and style. Let's start with design. The 22.5-inch diameter cooking surface gives you enough room to cook up to 13 burgers at once. That's right, 13. All thanks to the efficient layout and excellent heat distribution. Whether you're throwing a party or just feeding the family, the space is more than generous for direct or indirect grilling. The iconic spherical design isn't just for looks. That porcelain enameled lid and bowl do an exceptional job of retaining heat, ensuring your food cooks evenly. More importantly, it resists rust and peeling, so you're investing in something that'll hold up year after year. Weber knows convenience matters. That's why this model comes with a built-in lid thermometer, giving you precise control over your cooking temperature without lifting the lid every few minutes. And forget awkwardly setting your lid on the grass. The handy lid hook on the inside of the grill lets you hang it safely off the side while you check on your food. One of the standout features is the hinged cooking grate. This allows you to add charcoal while cooking without removing your food. Whether you're going low and slow or high heat for a sear, you can fuel the fire as you go. When the grilling's done, cleaning up is shockingly easy. The one-touch cleaning system uses a simple lever that sweeps ash into a high-capacity, removable ash catcher. No more messy scooping or tipping the whole grill to get rid of the ashes. Down below, you'll find rust-resistant aluminum legs with all-weather wheels for portability. Move it across the patio, the lawn, even gravel, no problem. There's also a lower wire rack to keep tools, charcoal, or a chimney starter within reach. To wrap it up, if you're after reliability, performance, and a classic charcoal experience, this grill has it all. It's durable, smartly designed, easy to clean, and just a joy to use. At a price point that hits the sweet spot, this 22-inch Weber Original Kettle Premium is absolutely our top pick for a kettle-style charcoal grill. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews. And let us know in the comments what you'd love to see next. Until then, happy grilling.